All right, back again. The difference between golf, cricket, and baseball. Something I want to talk about. Have I played baseball? No, I haven't. Have I watched baseball? Yes, I have. Watched Japanese baseball. It's very interesting, Japanese baseball. I find it much more interesting than American baseball. American baseball I find boring, but then again, most American sports I find boring. So the difference between cricket and baseball. Let's look at that first, because in a way they're similar, I suppose, because you have a bat, you have a ball that's coming at you, right? So I've played grade cricket. Okay, there's only 2 levels higher than the standard of cricket that I've played in Australia. Okay, there's grade cricket. I've played first and second grade cricket. Above grade cricket is state cricket, and above state cricket is test cricket. So I was 3 from the top, and I stuffed my shoulder up. It is what it is. Okay, so the difference between baseball and cricket. A baseballer does this and drives into the ball as it comes, right? Cricketer holds the bat like this, or like this, doesn't matter, but holds the bat like this, stands like this, and does that. Immediately, we see what the difference is. Strike zone. Okay? Baseball has a strike zone. So the powerful shot in baseball is here, all right? It's not here because getting out of your strike zone, okay? I know what the strike zone is. So that's the difference between baseball and cricket. Cricket, our strike zone is basically up to here. And here these days, depending on the game you're playing, but your strike zone is this area and all out there, okay? So what you can get to, you can hit what you can hit. Now, the powerful baseball, step into it, drive, right? Cricket, step into it, drive, right? Very similar. You do it here, we do it here, right? A hard shot in cricket, the scoring shot in cricket these days is bang, over there. So, here, bang, over there, right? Gee, where's the bat? Golf. The scoring shot in cricket is bang, over there, just like in golf. What's the difference between the 3 sports? That's the difference, the strike zone. Not much else.